Bulla everyone, get skin glowing with our pure vitamin C mask. This mask contains 3 types of vitamin C, kakadu plum, vitamin C oil concentrate, and our lime caviar extract. These amazing ingredients help to increase radiance and luminosity while smoothing fine lines and wrinkles and minimizing the appearance of pores, leaving you with smoother, brighter skin. As always, you want to apply this mask to cleanse and tone skin using the handy brush that comes in with the box. Take some of this mask and apply it directly to skin. I like to apply it on all the different zones of my face because it allows for better application and a more even application, in my opinion. It also has an amazing scent to it. It is made with 100% pure essential oil fragrance that includes ylang-ylang, geranium and sweet orange. So it really is a treat going on at night and a little moment of self-care. You really want to inhale those amazing essential oils in as well. So you can leave this mask on for a minimum of 30 minutes or leave it on overnight, rinse off in the morning and go with your normal morning skincare routine. So wake to smoother, brighter, more luminous, radiant skin.